SOFI reported its fourth quarter earnings, beating analyst earnings per share and revenue estimates. The online personal finance company announced a loss per share of 15 cents on revenue of $279.88 million. Analysts polled by Investing.com expected a loss per share of 16 cents on revenue of $279.47 million. SOFI achieved a record 906,000 quarterly new product adds, up 51% sequentially. In addition, it achieved a record 523,000 quarterly new member additions, up 39% sequentially. SOFI's guidance for the first quarter of 2022 incorporates the negative impact of the unexpected extension of the federal student loan payment moratorium to May 1. The company estimates the negative impact to be around $30 to $35 million of revenue and $20 to $25 million of contribution profit in the first quarter. SOFI expects to generate $280 to $285 million of adjusted net revenue in Q1, up 30% to 32% year-over-year.